Looks like some people are doing Muay Thai over there. This is where the food's at, and that's what I want. Let's try this spicy sauce. I don't think it's spicy. That's not spicy at all. How can they say that? I decided to try the crocodile. I'm curious. Good evening, here from Krabi in the south of Thailand. Tonight I'm going to take you guys for a quick cruise on the bike over to some night markets. So there's two that I saw on the map, and I actually stopped at one the other night. It seems a little bit small, but I want to walk through there with you guys. And then we'll cruise over to the larger landmark night market and see the street food and just what's in the market. Anyways, yeah, let's hit the road. Yalla bina. Little night market. I think it just says Krabi Night Market on Google Maps. What is this, mochi? A lot of different flavors and food. Some of the prices there. So a lot of meals for 80 baht. And then of course the souvenir shop. This market isn't huge, but oh, we have fish, seafood. Look at how pretty that is. What a presentation. Alright, so yeah, you have all this food, halal. There's a lot of halal food here because there's Muslims in Thailand, of course, and Indonesia, and I don't know, like everywhere, right? And like anywhere in the world. But I feel like there's a larger population here. I don't know though, I haven't traveled all over Thailand to really know, to be honest, but I think maybe there's more in the south because it's closer to like Malaysia. That's just me guessing. Another bar. Shawarma. I've seen a lot of shawarma. I've seen a lot of shawarma here. I haven't tried any of it because why would I do that when I live in Egypt, you know? Anyways, more food. Let's look at some of these prices. 60 baht for coconut smoothie. Very good. I love coconut smoothie. Wow, what is this? Sawadika. Wow, I have no idea what that is. Thank you. Okay, wow. Cheese balls for 60. Chicken pop. That is a large samosa. Look at that. It's huge. Kapunka. Thank you. And lots and lots of meat on a stick. Wow. So 1 for 65, 3 for 90. That's pork belly. Duck red sauce. Thai style grilled duck. This looks appetizing. I have to save my stomach because there's more to come. Bye-bye. All right. Yeah, I actually really want to check out the landmark night market because I think that is larger. We'll find out. Anyways, let's just walk through here quickly. So, sandals. I think they're making crepes there, Nutella crepes. More souvenirs. Souvenirs, bracelets, bunch of lighters and knives. Can't bring any of that home. Hi, how you doing?
I have Gucci bag, something for you.
Oh, thanks. I'm just filming.
Okay,
Thank
nice
you.
product.
Thank you so much. And I think that's pretty much it for the street food. There's some more shops up there. Jewelry shops, paintings. Cool art, but I'm not taking that home. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. So it's kind of a small market. You know, you have this little strip up here of shops, bags, and then what's back this way? Some clothes. You have a lot of streets with this though, but just for the night markets where it's, you know, set up like this. And night markets often have really cheap food, smaller portions, but actually it's pretty normal. If you go to a restaurant, you're probably eating the same plate of pad thai. Yeah. So I didn't eat anything here because I want to eat at the larger night market. So let's go check that out. I just parked across the street, and then it's just a quick drive up. Okay, apparently we have arrived to Aonang Landmark Night Market. The other one is called Krabi Night Market Place or something like that. Let's go check it out. If you went shopping, 80 baht for a bowl. That's cute. I'm not really into shopping though. Definitely very little room in my bag. The things that I'm planning to bring back are food, chilies, Thai iced tea, some curry paste, things like that. Okay, it feels kind of weird out here, to be honest. I don't know, like it's not that late, by the way. I don't know what time it is, but maybe 8 or even not even. Looks like some people are doing Muay Thai over there. Well, that was cool. I was not expecting to see Muay Thai fight here. I'm not gonna stick around for the whole thing. I just wanted to kind of see it for a little while. That's tough, man. I would not not want to do that. This music's very loud. Let's get out of here. This is where the food's at, and that's what I want. I don't care about shopping or the bars. The Muay Thai is cool, but yeah, the food is what I'm really here for. Let's see. Wow, you can get jellyfish, squid, Australian beef. Wow. Octopus. So you order that and then they'll grill it for you. So that's we got this direction. Over here. Let's go further back and see what else is here. We have Japanese pizza. Muslim friendly. So if you're visiting from Egypt, you're good. There's plenty of halal food here for you. Lots of pork if you don't. Just avoid that. Lots of delicious, wow, soda menu? Fruit tea, two-tone milk, mint and Thai tea. That sounds kind of strange. Boba tea. I like boba boba tea. I used to not, and then I had it again, and I was like, this is good, you know, it's like a fun drink. Anyways. Coconut pancake. I guess the meat just draws me in. I'm definitely not a vegetarian, huh? Look at all this. Oh, it's just crispy pork, fried pork belly. All of that sounds awesome. But let's keep going. More massive samosas for 50 baht. So we have beef, 5 for 100. This actually looks good. Mixed pork and chicken. What's the chicken? Chicken 5 for 100. Should I get beef or chicken? Hi. Can I get 5 beef? Let's try it. I hope it's delicious. Looks like they have some kind of sweet chili sauce here. And your guess is as good as mine. Something else. We've got my beef sticks with some spicy sauce. And some crocodile heads. Ada. Oh, right. Because it's crocodile meat. Maybe I should try that.
9 p.m. The best of the best.
I mean, I imagine it's pretty good. I've actually had saltwater crocodile in Australia. It tasted like chicken too, from my memory. I need to set this down, but if I set it over there, they're gonna want me to buy a drink. How do I film and eat? Yeah, they're not gonna want me to sit there. I don't want to buy a drink. Driving tonight. Okay, I finally found somewhere to at least set this down. It's over in the smoking area. So there's ashtray. And Thai performance up there. Woman dancing in traditional gear. But I'm not going to film that because I'm trying to eat my food. Okay. Let's try this spicy sauce. I don't think it's spicy. Not spicy. But good. I prefer chicken. That's not spicy at all. How can they say that? The spicy sauces, can't even see it. It's really hard to film in a night market when you have nowhere to put anything down and try to show food. Good. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish eating this and then I'll go back into the market and find some more food. I decided to try the crocodile. I'm curious. Since I last had it in Australia. Look at this plate. It is beautiful. Very hot. Crocodile. Kaplanka. Tastes like chicken. Honestly though, I'm trying to think of like how to describe it. It's like chicken. I know they say everything tastes like chicken, but it's not true. Probably get out of that lady's way.
Tomorrow night, 9 p.m. The best of the best, the champions of the champions, Bangkok champions.
I wonder if I can sit at this table. I feel like someone's gonna be like, they're doing it. I thought about doing it and then I didn't. But no one's stopping them. Spicy. There's like a chili kick to it or like a black pepper. You know what? Maybe I'll order like a water or something if they don't want me to sit here. How about this music? Anyways, not bad, crocodile.
Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow
I like this sauce.
Tomorrow night, 9 p.m.
That's good.
Alnang, landmark
Sweet chili's good.
Stadium, Alnang.
But it's just so sweet.
Stadium.
I like my
Thai
savory
boxing
flavors.
Super fights. Don't miss it.
And,
tomorrow night, the
yeah,
best,
spicy.
the champions of the champions.
Spicy's where it's at for me.
Bangkok.
Anyways, all right, I'm gonna finish this.
Gentlemen, tomorrow
And then we'll go explore and try something else.
Tomorrow
Maybe not meat related.
9 p.m.
This market is so quiet. I don't know. I guess it's so large. There's enough room for people to move around. It doesn't feel crowded. We have more bars and fruit, fresh fruit smoothies, and lots of 350 baht. That's like a lot. What is it? Okay, now those aren't. I don't feel like those are the cheapest prices, but yeah, a lot of main dishes for 100 to 150 baht. Some a little bit more. But there's a lot. Halal. Wow. It's like massive amounts of items that you can order though. Corn, cheese corn, Nutella, Ada. Oh. Corn butter, yeah. Eh? I'm not sure. Ooh, elote they have. I will tell you though, I've tried a few elotes at Mexican restaurants and they're not good. So I feel like not risking that again. I can't imagine corn with Nutella though. I think we're gonna leave that one to be a mystery for today. I know they put corn on like sweet items, you know, like it can be combined with sweet stuff. But for me, it's macaroni and cheese. We got everything here. More corn. Oh. Coconut water. How much are those? So you can get a coconut for 60 baht. Coconut ice cream for 100. I don't want like a giant coconut though. I'd rather get a Thai iced tea or a coconut smoothie. Those things are the best. I could eat those forever. Oh my god. I love gyoza. Oh look, they have Korean fried chicken as well. Oh, those are really good. It's not even Thai, I know, but like it's everywhere now, all these markets. 4 pieces for 60 baht. I'm gonna get 4 gyoza. Sawadika. Hi. Can I get 4 gyoza?
With sauce, soya or teriyaki sauce?
That's a good question. Let's try
Soya.
Soya?
Yeah.
I'll let her choose. Soya it is.
Are you born?
From US.
Yes.
Yeah. Living in Egypt, but from US. Alright guys, when it's done, I'll be back. I'm really tempted to get this Korean fried chicken, but I fill up easily. I'm actually already getting full from all that beef and crocodile. So, see you soon. And we have our little gyozas for 60 baht. There are some seating back here, but nothing actually free available, I mean. So let's go hunting again for where we can eat this. There's so much food here though. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna film because my battery keeps dying and I'm almost out of batteries, but this is the market. It goes down this way as well with like shops. I'm probably gonna buy something more and then go back to my Airbnb. My husband's there. He didn't want to come out. He's relaxing, but I might bring him a smoothie or some food. I realize I could wander around and show you guys a lot more and eat a lot more, but it's hard with just one hand and the camera like this. Let's find somewhere to fucking eat this. All right, I found a spot. So I was about to choose teriyaki, but she recommended soya. Soya it is. Let's try it. I'm thirsty. I'm holding this camera with my knees. Got like some, look where I'm sitting. Like some little temple stand thing with lots of other people sitting here, so I guess it must be fine, yeah? But okay, let's try this with the soya sauce. I didn't even ask what kind of meat's in here, but who cares? Let's try. I can't even tell what's inside of that. Is that meat? Doesn't look like it. See that? What is it? Cheese? I've never had a cheese gyoza. Egg. I think it's egg. This is the most awkward filming, you guys. I'm like, here, let's do this. I don't know. It kind of tastes like egg, though. I'm not a huge fan. It was okay. But I prefer meat. At least there's somewhere to sit down finally. Yeah, I am gonna end the vlog. I know I didn't walk around as much as I could, but at least we saw some Muay Thai, tried some crocodile, had some gyoza, and some other meat on a stick. So those are the two markets. I definitely prefer the landmark because it's bigger, because we saw the fighting, and there's just more food options. Kind of repeats of the same food stalls, but yeah, it's bigger as well. I think there's more like clothes shopping down that way, and then like actual shops and buildings down this way. So it's a huge area. Kids play area over here. Anyways, the battery just died again, so I'm definitely going to end the vlog here. Also, I don't know if it's going to start raining. I feel like I hear thunder and I see little drops. I need to get the scooter back. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a big like. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Ma salema.